So hello everyone, मैं हूँ सब पे भारी आकाश तिवारी and today we have Mr. Vishwanath Shetty from Pocket Aces. He is the Vice President of Sales and Branding in Pocket Aces. उससे बड़ा introduction मैं देने नहीं वाला. Let's break it down into simpler ways. Like कि how does content companies earn traditionally? कैसे वो लोग earn करते हैं, कैसे वो लोग monetize करते हैं ना? How are these things evolving?
Yeah, so I'll tell you, basically, in my whole career, I only worked two and a half years in regular sales,
Okay.
which was basically जो TV पे ad देखते हो या those kind of sales, which is called your normal bread and butter of the channel. So that's how they earn. How content companies used to earn. See, content always used to be a part of every medium. So when I was with print, there used to be a content. When I was with TV, there used to be a content. And now I'm digital, there still is content.
Yeah.
So, and traditionally I've worked with a lot of big companies where content was a small part of their whole revenue. Right? This is the first company where content is like the bread and butter.
Yeah, exactly.
So everything is basically content. There's nothing like a spot sales or what that. So, see, I'll tell you how do people earn? Firstly, if you are a creator, and the basic, सबको लगता है कि you earn from getting some revenues from YouTube. Because how YouTube and other social media platforms will give you revenue basis X million views you earn. So that's the basic revenue model. But there are different revenues that people generate from content, right? अब एक revenue है कि you also get brands and you integrate them in your videos, and then eventually you'll put those videos out. So you'll charge maybe something around 2 lakhs से लेके 20 lakhs के बीच में you'll earn basically. That's again another model. The other model is syndication. And once your content is really, really good and people start watching you, you can approach Ola Play and you can syndicate. Just say the content that is there on your YouTube, same content goes to their platform. Okay. And then they will give you some monies. That's another way of revenue. So, and influencers अगर हो गए तो influencers के साथ people do talent contract. So imagine from our platform Viraj. So Viraj is a influencer or a filter copy name. Now he'll also do talent revenue. So he'll do maybe जैसे उसने Subway का एक ad किया था. So he's casted in that ad. So that is another way of making revenue. Right. When influencer post करते हैं, you see a lot of people talking about brands on their Instagram stories on their own handle. That's another way of doing revenue. तो revenue तो ऐसा बढ़ते जा रहा है अभी. Traditionally it used to be only YouTube, then it moved to sketch, जो 5-minute video होता था filter copy में जैसे you would have seen, and then now it's gone to a different level. So there are 4-5 things added to the whole bucket of revenue. Is what I'll say.
So especially during this time, during COVID and all, how were you generating revenue? Because every company was saying it is difficult time, stuff. So how are you generating revenues?
I'll tell you what has happened to the whole industry, right? Everyone is gone. But let's understand basics. Basics क्या है कि the brands are not being able to deliver their product or manufacture their product until unless it is an essential product. So essential है उसमें भी there is an issue in producing it and delivering it. So for brands, generally, if their products are not going in the market, there's no point of marketing. And marketing करके खरीदने जाओगे क्या जब मिलेगा ही नहीं, right? That's the basic fundamental. Revenue suddenly became 1/3, right? During this time, जो हम लोग करते थे X revenue उससे सीधा 1/3 हो गया. Because everyone like started thinking कि should we advertise or shouldn't we advertise? But there were certain categories which were doing really, really good. जैसे जितने भी essential categories हैं, food categories हैं, तो राशन किराना everyone goes and buys that, right? Eatables, chocolates, everything is there. Plus a lot of little different categories like dating apps. So people are sitting at home. What are they doing? Essentially, they are dating online. So that category flourished. Essentially. And the other category was your edtech. So unacademies of the world, upgrades of the world, where people wanted to study but classes नहीं है, schools नहीं है, तो क्या करें? So these categories grew.
And gaming too.
Yes. And the third category is gaming. So everyone started playing PUBG, everyone started playing Ludo and all that. So and people started launching streaming platforms like how Loco has started
Yes.
streaming now
हाँ.
of PUBG or any other games essentially.
हाँ.
So these are the three opportunities. So हमने quickly realize किया कि let's not go to like close up जहाँ पे the messaging is pass out because
हाँ.
अभी आप pass नहीं सकते.
Oh.
There is
Okay. हाँ.
So there is no way close up is going to spend money, right?
Obviously.
तो close up बोलेगा कि भाई अभी पास में जाओ, थोड़ा दूर रहो essentially. So we didn't approach them and we very smartly looked at COVID categories. तो COVID categories में ये जो भी मैंने बोला, EdTech, basically your dating apps, essential goods, insurance, जैसे do you have medical insurance for COVID? So all these categories we started jotting it down. And we made sure that we won't reach out to any other clients. We'll reach out to only these clients. जिनका potential है. अगर marketing करोगे तो भी people will go and buy their products from the market. And we work on the strategy. And frankly, the strategies worked. For a quarter, and our revenue has grown using this strategy.
Okay.
But it's not like we are back to what we used to do in March or Feb. We are still there, and we are slowly getting there.
Okay.
And April was थोड़ा low. March went little higher. And May little went higher. June is looking good. Okay. And the next quarter now, things have started opening up. So hopefully होगा और खुलेगा.
Okay. You're into sales also. So how does the sales cycle work in terms of content?
Sales cycle is really, really long. So there are different products, right? So I'll tell you basic. So there is an overall, whichever genre or whichever product it is, there are only two categories. There is short form and there is long form.
Yeah.
Right? Short format may you will come. So there is short form in Gobble also. There is short form in long form in Gobble also.
Yeah.
There is short form in filter copy, but there is long format in Dice. Now, long format I mean is all your web series, all your shows, multiple episodes,
and also selling content on OTT, like on the
and also
Netflix and Amazon Prime. Yeah.
Correct. So see, mostly how we price. So we price or we sell basis the success of the channel. Success basically we also talk. Basically we also talk about the performance of the channel. And we market every product differently. जैसे short format का pricing अलग होगा, long format का pricing अलग होगा. So short format is quick turnaround with because the value is lesser. Long format takes 2 months to sell because the volume and the value is bigger. So any long format show will try and get around 2.5-3 crores, right? Any web series. So now getting that kind of money takes a little more time. So and also convincing like everyone in the company, dude, there should do here. So convincing also takes a lot of time.
Convincing takes a lot of time.
Everyone is So बाकी तो math simple है. So, and see, people also don't shy away spending like 3 to and a TV pe they'll spend 10 crores, 20 crores, 100 crores also. But when it comes to content and when they have to put at least maybe a 1 crore also, especially with long format, there will be a lot of conversation, lot of convincing that happens. So that's the life cycle. Short format के लिए जल्दी हो जाता है. Maybe in 10 days we can convert one short format video. But to convert a show, it takes mota 1 month. Sometimes.
Okay. But it gives you the return also. But I'm happy. Little thing is going great. Third season, I think the third season, na? Third season, I think. Third season. And Amazon Prime पे भी recently, so Pocket Aces is doing good. काफी ज़्यादा. So anyways, as you said na, so my next question was कि content है तो कितने का? How do you price your content on OTT and stuff? But you already told me कि long format होता है तो ऐसा. But what are the things which you focus on for the pricing thing? How do you decide the price thing?
So pricing is purely dependent on the delivery of content. So content, see, we always think कि if content is king, distribution is queen essentially. So अगर आपका distribution strong नहीं है, then you won't be able to like dictate pricing, right? Today, why people are okay spending huge amounts on filter copy because it delivers numbers, right? And we have delivered like a lot of successful campaigns. So if salary were a person, I don't know whether you remember that video where we launched Zoom car का subscription model, right? कि आप गाड़ी मत खरीदो, आप सब्सक्राइब करो और आपको गाड़ी मिल जाएगी.
Okay.
Now that's a concept that we told through Filter Copy, and it went viral. And I think more than 10-12 million views we got on that one video, right? और ऐसे बहुत सारे videos हैं which have delivered more than 30 million views also.
Yeah.
So अगर 3 करोड़ लोग वो video देख रहे हैं, तो यानी it's amazing, right? And
yeah.
So pricing we take maybe a minimum benchmark. जैसे if we decide tomorrow that on Filter Copy we'll give 3 million views, and for 3 million views what should be the cost?
Okay.
And we guarantee this to our brands.
Okay.
So we tell them, Apao, you take this brand, take this video, we'll integrate in this video, and we'll deliver 3 million views, and you give me X price.
Okay.
Against it. If it goes viral, it is bonus. But we make sure कि 3 million views तो आए या 2 million views तो आए basically. So it depends on performance of the channel. For Dice, if I have to do a Dice talkies, then the views goes down, the rate goes down. If I have to do something on Jambo, again, since it is just started, the rate will differ. Nutshell पे differ होगा. Dice पे it is ulta. Dice पे we commit basically more numbers. Also, it's basically like creating a movie, right? 25 days shoot होता है. 25 दिन का shoot होता है एक web series करने के लिए, right? Now that we have to factor in.
Yeah.
So all that we factor in, then we come up with the price. So this is the way how we devise pricing.
Okay. Okay. So who according to you is a salesperson? Because sales का ना perception बहुत different होता है, ठीक है, लोगों के हिसाब से, and especially a salesperson in a content field, मतलब सोचा भी नहीं हो किसी के लिए, because perception is different ना sales के लिए. So who according to you is a salesperson in terms of content field में?
See, for me, a good salesperson or a sales guy is someone who can understand what a brand wants and what problem can that content solve for him.
Yeah. Okay.
See, a lot of people, even Pepsis of the world, even Cokes of the world, have their own problems, right? Like I remember, I don't know whether you remember, कुरकुरे में plastic होता है. You remember that? एक conversation था यार बहुत पहले. No, this was a myth. Now we tried and solved that myth by integrating it in one of our series, basically.
Okay.
Now that's the challenge only a content sales guy can understand. I can solve.
Nice. Correct. Shit. ये तो सोचेगा.
So that is basically one of the best things that a sales guy should understand and should deliver. See, eventually people, a lot of marketers today, just if you see CMOs, a lot of them are really senior guys. So they don't know about content much. They only know about TV because they've seen MTV while growing up. So उनके लिए TV तभी cool था, अभी भी cool है. But a lot of these young guys, assistant brand managers who know this, and when they suggest them, it's also a little difficult for them to convince the CMO up there because a perception is formed in his head.
Yeah.
Right. So they work, basically these guys, these young guys in like an HUs or maybe PNGs of the world or Pepsis of the world help us by making this clear to the top management. So we always support him, that guy who's fighting our battles inside.
Oh, ये usually होता नहीं है, ठीक है. I'm listening, मतलब ये पहली बार सुन रहा हूँ मैं ऐसा कि you usually support those people. क्या वरना बहुत तो ऐसा बोलते हैं कि यार कोई support नहीं करता है. But
नहीं support नहीं करता है. But see, what I'm saying ना, वो ज़माना चला गया. So I'm telling you, ये अगर 5 साल पहले if you would have spoken, तो that guy would also be little skeptical कि करे नहीं करे. Should I spend like a crore on this? What will my boss ask? What has this delivered? And what has happened to the brand? ये सारे questions थे पहले. Now we have started solving all these questions. So people understand this. There are a lot of case studies that I have that we show it to the brand. And I have worked on content on Disney also, where there are a couple of good shows that we created there. And here also we are doing good stuff. So वैसे now people also seek us as a brand consultant. See us as a brand consultant. They see basically these guys understand content and these guys can help us solve my problem. So this is what I specifically believe content salesperson should have in him. That's why I also prefer recruiting a lot of young smart guys so that they understand.
And that's my only motive to get into podcast with Filter Copy. I'm gonna apply next and I'm gonna send my CV to you on LinkedIn. So that's the only reason मैंने ये podcast किया. बाकी कोई reason नहीं था. Yeah. So okay, tell me, have you sold any content ever? मतलब any underrated content ever overpriced?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Story बोलना है नहीं बोलना है चलेगा. मतलब घुमाया है.
Story नहीं बोल सकता, of course.
पर घुमाया है. Okay.
But eventually कैसा हुआ है कि the content is delivered. So when we were thinking, कैसा होता है कि when you sell your first show, or you have never worked on that show, you don't know, no? कि will it sell? Will it deliver? Will it perform or not?
Yeah.
For luckily, and a couple of my shows where, or maybe some genre, जैसे fiction नहीं हो गया, non-fiction हो गया, which we don't know of. So that helps essentially. But thankfully, touchwood, all the shows are delivered. बेचते वक्त पता नहीं था, but eventually it has delivered a lot. So it has covered.
But मतलब वो every sales person का story होता ही है. एक ना एक बार तो करते ही है सब लोग. So मतलब you're saying that was the first content ever, right? मतलब वो आपका first content था.
Yeah. So basically, not first content ever. See, my first content ever was Girl in the City. Now, Girl in the City was like a blockbuster.
Okay. Yeah.
But it also differs. Ki, is there anything else that you do in the same genre, or maybe in some other genre? So वैसा. Where you're not very confident. होगा नहीं होगा types.
हाँ बराबर. So yeah. So have you ever seen Wolf of the Wall Street?
Yeah, of course.
ठीक है. तो उसमें एक बहुत फेमस चीज होता है कि sell me this pen ऐसा करके. Okay. So ऐसा अगर मैं ऐसा बोलूँ आपको कि sell me a content. So how would you do? How would you start? मतलब sell me a content.
Sell me a content. See, frankly, what I do is I always sell a dream, right? Okay. So I always tell him or whoever the guy is, see, you are doing regular stuff, right? You're doing your normal stuff. But what are you doing to create that impression internally and also to create an impression within your peers, right? Now, जब आप content करते हो, then you do something different, which means you are bold, you take a different stance, and you are a little hatke to do marketing, right? And this helps a lot when I sell content. So I sell a dream to him, and how to achieve that dream is through this content.
Oh,
and it always gets
convinced. Okay.
A real story, yeah. There are a lot of people who have done like a big series with me, I can say, and I've got promoted. So they've become like the India head, or they become like the category head. Or
फिर बाद में मैसेज ऐसे आता है कि नहीं कि thanks bro.
All my clients are really appreciative of the things that they do. If they have bet on a certain content, see, they eventually don't bet on the content, right? They bet on the person. So if they bet on the person who's giving them who's showing them that this will deliver, or जब deliver होने के बाद they get awards. I have seen like a couple of my clients eventually when they receive an award, they've sent me a message saying thank you for pitching this concept to us. Okay. So clients have been always sweet, right? So see, ऐसा ही होता है. And if you help them, they will help you eventually.
Yeah.
So and we do. इससे क्या होता है कि we also get continuous business. So if you get season 1 में business, you'll get season 2 में business, or you'll get future companies में business. That's also how you build relationship.
Exactly. Nice. So not only Pocket Aces, but if coming to your entire career, just tell me one shittiest moment in your entire career.
Shittiest moment.
You can't. It's fine if you don't name the company or anything. Just the moment.
See, the shittiest moment was. I'll tell you what the shittiest moment generally is, right?
Okay.
So if you know that you have performed, you know that you have delivered, you know that you have made this whole piece big in a company, and then the company shies away recognizing you, is the shittiest moment.
Yes.
That's the shittiest moment. And if you know that if someone has built like the overall structure or maybe a different revenue model altogether, and eventually you don't recognize that guy or that person, or you don't give him responsibility to take that forward and make it even more bigger, then it's a shitty option. Then there is no option but to leave that company and move somewhere else where they will give that basically opportunity to you.
Okay.
That's the shittiest movement.
Yeah, but it happens everywhere. Like, but because it happens everywhere, so people are thinking about this. So hona nahi chahiye. Let's hope कि so Pocket Aces is not doing like this. ऐसा मेरे को लग रहा है. मतलब ठीक है. Okay. So भाई मतलब YouTube versus TikTok काफी ज़्यादा जोर शोर से चल रहा था. Okay, and I think so a lot of people have asked you this, but just tell me कि according to you, if I say कि YouTube versus TikTok, choose one. What would you choose? Don't go on the channels because YouTube already Pocket Aces has developed channels, but the futuristic thing. Choose one.
See, I'll tell you, YouTube versus TikTok na debate. This started only because today, we have freedom to create content.
Yeah.
ये 10 साल पहले नहीं होता था. People never used to. There were a lot of people who used to control content. जैसे TV used to be very controlled. कि नहीं, this will go, that will go, this won't go. Today, I'm liking this whole debate because suddenly, people like you and me, who will like eventually were no one, are talking about content.
Yeah.
People like Harry Minati and that other guy, who no one knew, are talking and debating about this whole platform. For me, this debate is a win, frankly.
Yeah. Okay. Diplomatic answer, but if you need to choose one platform.
So, see, if I have to choose, of course, if the future lies ahead, it is TikTok, 100%.
Okay.
TikTok, you can do stuff that. See, what I would urge a lot of YouTubers also.
Yeah.
See, YouTubers are very smart, right? They are using Instagram also.
Yeah.
As another medium to basically distribute their content.
Yeah.
They're using Facebook also.
Yeah.
Instead of doing YouTube versus TikTok, why don't you create content on TikTok under your own handle? And you encash your benefits.
Yeah.
See, Pocket Aces is very simple, right? So Filter Copy is also on TikTok.
I saw it. I was going to say you guys are experimenting on TikTok. I've seen it. Yeah.
So you never know. Our next big content will be on TikTok. So we want to be present where the audience is. Right? That's what we want. So if it is on Netflix, we want to be on Netflix.
Okay.
With Dice. If it is on TikTok, we want to be on TikTok eventually. और हर कोई चैनल का ऑडियंस अलग अलग होता है. See, on YouTube also you will find a lot of shit content, right? But people have audience for that also.
Yeah.
So audience तो हर किसी का है. So
but TikTok has given that. Okay. How are you managing all these 6 brands together? Like, are you guys consciously keeping them integrated, or no? You're planning to keep them different, but वो integrate हो जा रहे हैं, like because people, honestly speaking, people know Filter Copy, people know Match to Match, people know Dice Media, okay, but people don't know Pocket Aces as a whole. Like बहुत सारे लोग kind of corporate people know, but if you go to college people, the college students and stuff, they'll be like कि Pocket Aces, हाँ Filter Copy सुना है, getting me? लोगों सुना है. So are you guys consciously trying to keep them integrated, or are you guys trying to make them different, but वो हो नहीं पा रहा अभी?
See, कैसा हो रहा था ना? I'll tell you how legacy brands are built.
Yeah.
So Filter Copy, you will be surprised. Dice was the first channel that we launched. Filter Copy नहीं था. So on Dice, we released our first short video, which went viral. Okay. But what we did, we kept Dice a little premium. We said कि इस पे अच्छी चीजें डालेंगे, and let's experiment on Filter Copy.
Okay.
So experiment करते Filter Copy went to another level. So a lot of experiment there used to go viral.
Yeah.
And that's how people started noticing Filter Copy.
Okay.
But see, the idea, and we never essentially spoke about our company earlier. We were trying to set up and build our regular channels, like Dice को grow करना था, Filter Copy को grow कराना था, Gobble, which is a food and a lifestyle destination. We wanted to grow that. So now this year and last year, we started focusing on Pocket Aces as a company overall, and marketing a lot about the company rather than brands. Also brands भी करते हैं, but company के बारे में भी we started doing a lot of marketing.
Okay.
So if you tell me, see, I joined in this company 2.5 years back, right? जब मैं join किया था, people didn't knew much about Pocket Aces. They knew Filter Copy, they knew Dice.
Yeah, exactly.
But now the marketing effort has gone up from our side. now people start registering us as Pocket Aces.
So that's why I'm saying, are you guys consciously keeping them integrated by using the same talent across all platforms? Yeah, promotion of content from all platforms.
See, I'll tell you how it is, right? So every channel has its own format.
Okay.
Right? So of course we use same talent. Just say, coming back again to Viraj as an example. So you'll see Viraj on Filter Copy also. You'll see him on one of the Dice shows also. You'll see one of in Gobble shows also.
Yeah.
And of course Jambo and Nutshell were building abhi, and we want to continue building it. And then eventually we'll start monetizing it. So monetization अभी शुरू होगा, पर अभी हमने एकदम 100% monetize करना शुरू नहीं किया है as of now. So you have to grow the channel first, ताकि numbers आए content. So so there are little bit of everything that you spoke, using talent, using characters. Sometimes when you talk about Pocket Aces and Filter Copy comes in, also sharing some shows or some trailers of Gobble or maybe Loco or maybe of Dice on Filter Copy, ताकि लगे कि ये sister concern है. So everything we to also leverage one of the biggest channel and then leverage its strengths to communicate about the smaller channels out there.
Okay, got it.
So integrated to have.
Yeah. So you're consciously keeping it integrated, right?
Yes. Okay. See, that's the advantage. Otherwise, who will understand or who will know? See, Jambo we just launched. If you don't talk about Jambo somewhere or use promotion, I'll tell you an example. So when we launched Loco, we used Filter Copy extensively. Marketing of Loco. Right?
Exactly.
So that also helped us a lot. Kahin aur spend karne se acha, when you have like one of the biggest platforms and distribution platforms with you, why don't you leverage those and then start talking about your brand? So that's how we do.
Okay. So you said na ki jab maine bola sell me your content, and you said you sell dreams. Okay. So there are a lot of people who are passionate about their ideas, who are like, ki ye to work karega hi karega, but they don't know the second part which you said, ki place karna kaise, ki how would you do it? Okay. So agar suppose कि you have something in your mind, ठीक है, and you're convincing a person continuously कि भाई कर ये चलेगा, but you know how do you know कि it's a waste of time, वो नहीं मानने वाला है? How do you know कि वो नहीं मानने वाला है and you should stop your efforts?
See, I think the effort you will come to know in 1 or 2 meetings only.
Okay.
So if you are selling him something and देख एक दो चीजें, एक तो वो बोले कि मुझे करना ही नहीं है firstly, and I don't think so I'll be able to pull off this such a big amount or small amount or whatever I can justify, which means he doesn't have power and you're talking to a wrong guy. So you should talk to a person who has ability to take shots.
Okay.
Don't talk to a person who will go back to his boss and he'll say कि अरे sir ये कर लेते हैं, and he will discount it. Right? So rather I would say talk to the right guy who has the ability to take shots. And हाँ या ना वो खुद सामने से बोल देगा. So you won't if you keep talking to the lower end guy who doesn't know how to take shots, then you will keep pitching him till the day he says no, which will consume a lot of your time.
So you're in the between of two most powerful people. Okay, एक तो जो एकदम demanding clients होते हैं, ठीक है, जो हर creative चीज में changes करते रहते हैं बिना मतलब के. And then there are people, creative people like influencers, writers, and every person. Okay? And it is difficult to manage both. Okay, and you are in between of them. तो अगर किसी को ऐसा थोड़ा मनाना पड़ता है या किसी को change करना पड़ता है, तो how do you do it? कि मतलब client को ऐसा घुमाते हो कि अपने ही अंदर के creatives को घुमा के कैसे हो? Like because you know कि it happens. Creatives बनता है, फिर client change करता है, फिर client कुछ बोलता है, फिर these guys get irritated. So how do you manage? Because you need to do that.
How anyone should manage. I'm not saying how I manage.
Okay, say it. But
how anyone should manage is basically to look at, will that change hamper your the performance of the content?
Okay.
Right? If it is hampering the performance of the content, push back though. या तो वो creative से हो या वो sales client से हो. And you stand for it. Basically.
Okay.
And if he doesn't listen to you, mostly what happens is internal team doesn't listen to you.
Yeah.
And there have been cases where I have said, okay, I will execute this show or this event, and by executing it in the same way how client wanted it, it was a big success. वो भी हुआ है मेरे करियर में. So creative team ने बोला है कि हम नहीं करेंगे ये, और बोला कि ठीक है मैं करता हूँ, and I have executed it and it became like a super hit. That has also happened. On the other hand, where client has said कि I want this, then we have told him कि then the performance is an issue. We can't guarantee on performance. फिर अगर वो नहीं चला, then we go back to him and say कि अभी आपकी सुनी, अब हमारी सुनो, next video.
Oh, shit, internal team और उसमें भी होता है, ठीक है. But then जो relation खराब होता है कि then do you guys manage it, मतलब?
No, but see, relationship is clearly, I think justified ना यहाँ पे. If you're saying client को ये changes मत करो, so उसको पता है कि यार dude, they are saying right. So if I listen to them,
no, I'm not talking about the clients. I'm not talking about the clients. I'm talking about your team. I'm talking about the team members.
Yeah. So even for the team members, right? So if you see, there are wins and there are like those convincing loss also. So you'll also have to maintain relationship between them. You also have to make them understand that, dude, and it's not easy. And we take them on call sometimes. So we take creative people on call and we tell them कि कुछ मत बोलना. We will have a conversation with the client. You just listen to the conversation.
फिर भी वो लोग बोलेंगे, for sure बोलेंगे, for sure बोलेंगे, बोलते हैं.
It also depends कि आप क्या बात कर रहे हो. If you are supporting them and you're saying towards content, towards the merit of the content, they will understand and they only will tell you, चल ठीक है ये changes कर देते हैं. We heard the conversation. I think you are also pushing and the client is also adamant, but we will make it work in a way कि content को भी असर ना हो और उसके performance को भी affect ना हो. So this strategy has always worked and I think now people understand all this. पहले ये होता था. अभी I think people are very open. Even creative people are open. They want to talk to client. They want to talk to the client and convince them कि क्यों ये नहीं करना चाहिए.
Okay,
so that I think we have started doing in Pocket Aces so that everyone is happy with what they've done.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि ये सेल्स वाला बंदा है तो ये तो हमारी माता रहता है हमेशा, या हम लोग बोलते हैं कि वाला बंदा है कि ये हमारी सुनता नहीं है. So that's how the culture is.
Yeah. Okay, nice. मतलब तो फिर काफी अच्छा हो गया. तो फिर खाली फुकट people are blaming corporates and all because right now काफी अच्छा culture हो रहा है. I'm speaking to the last few conversations also I had. वो लोग भी बोल रहे हैं ऐसा नहीं है, but people are just blaming corporates right now कि ऐसा होता है वैसा था. Maybe the culture.
I think it also depends on the culture of the corporate, na?
Yeah.
If the culture is very open and you can reach out to founders, you can reach out to anyone in the company, build an executive or build a VP, then people can anyways walk up to someone and tell them that this is what went wrong. And then you'll have to also justify why did it went wrong. Generally क्या होता है कि corporates में hierarchy होते हैं और hierarchy को कोई cross नहीं करता essentially.
Exactly.
But open culture में ऐसा नहीं है. There's no more hierarchies now. Is what I feel.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
How do you strategize the revenue model? ठीक है. How do you start? Because I've seen your LinkedIn profile. How do you strategize the revenue model of Pocket Aces whole as compared?
See, the strategizing of revenue model is key. I mean, that is that is the toughest job that anyone can do. But it's also very simple once you crack it.
Okay.
So initially क्या होता था? We only used to do active integrations. Now active integration, what I mean was you'll see a small video in which you'll talk about the brand or the benefits that the brand will have.
Yeah.
That is one model. Then I also told you about the YouTube or the other platforms giving you money.
Yeah.
That's another revenue model. Then you have syndication as a revenue module. You have influencer as a revenue module. You have talent as a revenue model. Now all these are well-known revenue models in the industry in content.
Exactly.
इसके ऊपर how do you come up with a new strategy, right? Or maybe a new revenue model. That's challenging. कि या तो आपको पता है कि dude ये कंपनी में ये revenue model है तो ये मॉडल काम किया नहीं काम किया, let's execute that here. But to come up with a new revenue model is really interesting. Now I'll tell you what is the new revenue model we have started recently. Now see, we do content, right? Content हम लोग बहुत करते हैं, but कहीं पे we don't do like how TV does. जैसे spots आते हैं TV, ads आते हैं. That only Google does.
Yeah.
So is there a way we can get that as one of the revenue model?
Nice.
right?
Yeah.
So that is what we are thinking कि वो
Okay.
आ सकता है क्या? We have an app now which is Loco, which is into
Yeah.
gaming.
Yeah.
In that we can do a lot of this kind of revenue model where we can take ads from the client and we can play it because it's our own app. तो वहां पे TV spots जैसे you'll get spots on Loco.
Yeah.
You will do banner ads on Loco.
Yeah, I saw first Loco started with 10:30. At 10:30, you need to do this games, and you would win something and all. And yeah.
But also there is programmatic buying जो होता है.
Yeah, yeah.
I hope you know what is programmatic buying. कि game के बीच में you'll see randomly one screen. Yeah. Yeah. So वो होता है. That we've started. So ऐसे multiple revenue models हम लोग बनाते जाते हैं, and we think of every a new revenue model. Which is really, really important for us.
Okay.
So it's an ongoing process. So
there's a lot of desperation amongst people कि everyone needs to voice out their opinions, ठीक है? And अभी तो फिलहाल everyone is putting out content, like not only the influencers and content creators, but everyone. तो इतना ज़्यादा content आ गया ना, and there's no one is working on the quality, but just desperation of content की डालना है, okay? So अब बहुत लोग content डाल रहे हैं. सब लोग ने तो side business भी कर दिया कि भाई डालते रहो, चला तो ठीक है, वरना नहीं चला. तो in that circle, मैंने ना 2-3 दिन से तो बंद ही कर दिया सबका कंटेंट देखना, बिकॉज आई वाज सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड इतना सारा ये देख के. हाउ डू यू ब्रांड योर कंटेंट ऐसा कि लोग देखे इन द स्पेस ऑफ सो मच ऑफ कंटेंट एंड सो मच ऑफ हंगर फॉर फेम? हाउ डू यू ब्रांड योर कंटेंट ऐसा कि लोगों को ये कंटेंट देख, एटलीस्ट ये कंटेंट तो लोग देखे?
See, it's not very simple, and this question is basically अलादीन के चिराग वाला क्वेश्चन, जहाँ पे जीनी आके बोल देगा तो हो जाएगा, वैसा क्वेश्चन है ये. तो बट इतना सिंपल नहीं है. किसी के पास चिराग नहीं है और किसी के पास जिन नहीं है. To be very frank, see, I'll tell you is you have to look at your own platform,
okay,
and you have to study the data that you get of any content. I'll tell you one example.
Okay.
तो Little Things जो हमारा सबसे बड़ा शो है, वो हमने ऐसे ही क्रिएट नहीं किया.
Obviously.
So what we did, we created short formats जिसमें हमने ध्रुव और मिथिला को कास्ट किया. We created 2-3 short formats video.
Okay.
And we saw कि what are the audiences are saying. So if the audiences are saying they're liking the chemistry, they're liking them, they're liking the whole story, and they want to see more, is when we created filter copy. Little Things. And that's why Little Things, from the word go, first episode से ही started delivering numbers.
Oh.
So if you are a channel, or if you want to become a content creator, and if you still are a content creator, you should listen to your audience, is what I say. Listen to them, see what they're saying.
Yeah.
Test करो. कोई भी create करने से पहले randomly कुछ मत करो. Test if this will work or not. So for us also, if we do a filter copy video, we'll put out a small meme पहले, and we'll see if the meme is performing or not. If the meme doesn't perform,
okay,
we won't create that content on filter copy.
Oh.
So it's a dipstick that we do, that everyone should do.
Okay. Shit, no one thought of it so deeply. Na? Everyone is just tagging their friends and they're just enjoying, but it's not deep. Nice. Okay.
Yeah. So this is essentially हर किसी को करना चाहिए. And if these guys, even if you are as in managing a podcast, listen to your audiences and see what they want to listen more, and then come up with maybe a topic, and then reach out to people like me or someone who's relevant to that field.
Yeah.
So that will give you more subs and views, and of course people will next time click on notification also.
Hope so. I'm gonna brand if I do something like a clickbait na, ki how to get into filter copy, I'm telling you people are gonna enter it. But anyways, so I have seen Pocket Aces ka website, okay, and wahan pe if you want to work with us, click here and they write ki which fields are available, editor ka job available hai, aisa. But even you know, and even I know, everyone wants to get associated with filter copy kaise na kaise, and everyone is getting into content creation. होता ना कि पहले doctors and science का wave था, engineering का, फिर उसके बाद startup का wave आ गया, फिर MBA का wave आ गया, अभी content creation का wave चल रहा है. Okay. So if someone wants to get into touch with filter copy या with Pocket Aces overall, ठीक है, तो उनको क्या करते रहना चाहिए? बस Instagram पे content बनाना चाहिए and they'll get famous and they'll get into touch with you, or how? Because website पे तो नहीं है. Website पे तो नहीं है.
Website पे you can put, but see, it also depends on what job profile you want to come at, right?
Yeah.
If you want, and firstly, यानी कोई भी content company ये
Yeah.
देखेगा कि आप digitally या socially कितने active हो और आप क्या करते हो, right? That's also an important metric. Tomorrow, if you want to work in a content team of Filter Copy, of course you should know how a content is made and
Yeah.
how what is to be made. So,
Exactly.
and there are a lot of people who we have, as in people have applied and they have shown their past work, और हमने immediate hire किया. So, Viraj is also one of the examples. So
Yeah.
Viraj used to put his content on Snapchat.
Yeah.
He used to be big on Snapchat. And he reached out to us multiple times. So much so कि हमें उसको बुलाना ही पड़ा एक दिन इंटरव्यू के लिए. And then when we met him, yeah, we saw that this guy has potential and we hired him. And this was way before I joined. So this is a story that I know of, which my founders have told me. I'm telling you. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं था तभी जो उसको किए थे. But yeah, that's how it is. You should know the crux of the game if you want to enter into one. Or if you're an editor and you have done like a fabulous job, you can share some case studies that you've done, like some past works, essentially, rather than case studies, past work. And then everyone gets notification कि there is this person who's applied. Do you want to hire him? So जो website से आता है, वो हर किसी को जाता है.
Okay.
Internally. So we very seriously see to it. And we've also hired a lot of people like that, especially your editors, your CPs, a lot of them.
Yeah. As I told you ना कि अभी content creation wave चल रहा है, ठीक है? So अभी next wave क्या आने वाला है? Because of TikTok ना सब लोग बहुत conscious हो गए कि जो first mover advantage होता है ना कि जो लोग भी TikTok पे पहले अभी सब बड़े-बड़े influencers बन गए. So what is the next wave of content creation? Because people are looking for that first move advantage.
See, frankly, if I have to tell you, TikTok is still like growing and it will grow from leaps and bounds on.
Okay. अच्छा मतलब वो चाइना वाइना का कुछ नहीं मतलब yeah.
So you have to still move into that direction. You should. दूसरा wave which I am seeing right now is esports, right?
Yeah.
हर कोई PUBG खेलता है. या हर कोई League of Legends खेलता है, Dota खेलता है, a lot of games, right?
Yeah.
So that's another like wave which is just started entering India. I think it has entered India like 2 years back with a lot of dynamos and models of the world. There's still a lot of space there if you want to capitalize on. And look at these people. Yeah, these are very young guys creating, like they're just playing, showing the talent off and streaming, and they have more than like if I'm not wrong, 7-8 million views, subscribers on YouTube. So these are also big, but there's also a lot of space there. You'll be surprised with brands who are entering into this space.
That's what I'm saying. I've seen a lot of brands going there. Yeah.
Imagine Mercedes. Imagine BMW. Has entered into this space already. So you'll see a lot of premium brands are getting into this space. So India में इतना बड़ा culture था नहीं e-sports का. Internationally बहुत बड़ा है. अब इंडिया में भी होगा, यानी आ गया है essentially. Now it will grow and it will take off like a rocket.
Yeah. So yeah, that's it from my side. How did you feel? Like, was it common questions? Yeah. What should we work on now?
No, I think it was fun. Keep it like थोड़ा सा interactive तो था ही, but also there was a fun element to the whole conversation that we had.
Thank you so much, Vishwanath, for joining us, and I hope you liked it. Because purposely मैंने वो cliche questions नहीं रखे, and I had no idea how would you react to it.
It was fun. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Vishwanath. Thank you so much.